Bless, 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 bless. What's going on out there? Back again, Ancient words of wisdom. That's what I'm bringing to this channel. That's what I bring every day. My wisdom is ancient. So, and when I mean ancient, I mean it's coming from far, far away. And the stuff I talk about, it's mixed with experiences, mixed with common sense, and it's mixed with universal knowledge. So what I talk about, what I teach people, it's based on 3 principles. 1, I'm giving you my life experience. I'm giving you and teaching you and showing you my life experiences. Okay? My life experiences is nothing but the truth. Nothing but the truth. I don't need to lie to nobody. I ain't got nothing to prove. And what the hell do I got to gain? What do I have to gain lying to you guys? Nothing. So, number 1, I'm bringing my experience to the table. 2, common sense. Common sense. Okay? Common sense. Stuff that a 2-year-old, a 3-year-old, a 4-year-old, a 5-year-old can understand. You understand? So, what I'm talking about ain't no rocket science. Ain't no algebra. Okay? This is not superficial stuff. This is not rocket science. This is basic, simple, common sense knowledge. Okay? Basic, simple, common sense knowledge. Okay? That's the second thing I'm bringing to the table. The third and last thing that I'm bringing and showing people is from the universe. Once you are spiritual enough, you connect yourself to the universe. You are connected to the higher force. You're connected in the spiritual realms. Okay? When you're in the spiritual realms, you get information like that. Like that. There's no guessing. There's no ifs. There's no buts. You're getting information like that. Because this is coming from the all-given source. Where all sources come from. All knowledge and wisdom and understanding come from. This is where it's coming from. The universal source. And that's where I get my information from. You understand? So, that being said, I just want to share information that I believe people in the world need to know. Okay? I'm sharing information in the world that people need to know. Ah, pussy. Go fuck yourself, bitch. Sorry about that, guys. This guy tried to cut me off on the road and I picked him up a mile away. So he's all mad. That's too bad. But anyways, in life, you have to have 0 tolerance. 0 tolerance for bullshit. Okay? 0 tolerance for bullshit, foolishness, stuff that is not benefiting you. Okay? Got zero tolerance for that. You know what I mean? So, at the end of the day, you have to have a mentality where, you know what? I don't got time to waste with you if you're not progressing in life. Because understand this. One thing that you can never ever get back, it's your time. I don't care how much money you have. I don't care how much money you have. You cannot get back your time. You cannot get back your time. So you have to be smart about where you put your time in, where you put your effort in. Listen to me. Listen to me very well. You have to be on a mission every day the mission of self-discovery. Okay? You have to be on that path where, you know what, you're not gonna let nobody stand in your way. I don't allow no one to stand in my way. Gone are the days, for me, gone are the days where, well, not even for me. You know, I don't know if a lot of people are thinking the way I'm thinking, but gone are the days where you think you have to protest, go out there and march and all of that. Listen to me, and go on front page. Listen to me. I'm not down for all of that. I'm not down for all of that. I'm not saying that protesting is not good, but what I'm saying is you gotta find a different strategy. You gotta use different strategies, because that strategy is kind of getting played out. That strategy is getting played out. You know what I mean? So you gotta be using a different strategy, a different approach to deal with today's people. Okay? Today's people, you gotta be on a different level. Okay? You gotta be on a different level to understand. Sorry about that, guys. Like I said, life gets bumpy. You just gotta be ready for it. You gotta be on a different level to understand the dynamics of what's going on now. You have to understand the dynamics of what's going on. We're not dealing with all these type of goody two-shoe people living in the world. I'm sorry to tell you. I'm sorry to tell you this, but we're dealing with corrupt, psychological, evil people that don't give a damn about nobody else but them goddamn self. Okay? So you gotta be thinking on a psychological level too. Okay? Sometimes you gotta beat them at their own game. That's the way, that's the only way people are gonna take you seriously. You gotta beat them at their own game. Feel me? So when you can do that, not only do you got somebody's respect, but you got their attention, yo. Straight up. You got their attention. So I don't need to go on front page. I don't need to protest. I don't need to do no type of demonstration. I'ma burn you out from the seat that I'm at right now. I'ma burn you out from where I am right now. I don't need to do no long traveling, no driving, no plane ride, none of that. None of that. I'ma send you signs and I'ma send you wonders right where I am. Okay? right where I am, I'm going to show you wonders and signs. Okay? So, for all those that think they can do wickedness and run away and hide, I got news for you. I got news for you. There's nowhere you can run. There's nowhere you can hide. When the judgment comes for you, be prepared for it. And I don't want to hear no crying, and I don't want to hear no nothing. Because for every wicked thing that you do, there's a consequences. There's consequences that are coming your way. There's consequences that are coming your way. So let the wicked man be wicked. Let the wicked woman be wicked. Let them keep on being wicked. And trust me, their judgment's coming soon. So I don't need to protest. I don't need to demonstrate. I don't need to go nowhere. I'm a put fire on your ass from where I am right now. So let people go on wicked. Let them go on wicked. Let them go on. Because at the end of the day, all wickedness will be paid for. All wickedness will be paid for. Okay? All wickedness will be paid for. All wickedness will be paid for. So all you gotta do is pray. Pray on certain people that are doing you wrong. Pray on some people that are mistreating people. You know are mistreating people. You pray on these people. You pray that they will get what they deserve. Okay? So all this nice goody two shoe, forgive my enemies. Nah. I will forgive you when I see that your judgment came through. I will forgive you when I see that you got punished, motherfucker. Yeah. I will forgive you when I see that your judgment came true. That's when I will forgive you, punks. Until then, y'all can kiss my ass. I ain't forgiving none y'all. I ain't forgiving none y'all. Okay? That's why in life, you gotta be careful who you disrespect. You don't know who's who. You don't know who's who. You could be disrespecting God for all you know. You can be disrespecting God for all you know. You gotta be careful who you mess around with. Not everybody's normal. Not everybody's normal. Alright? So, understand that. You know, and the more spiritual you get, the more you understand what's going on around you. Okay? Cause and effect. Cause and effect. Cause and effect. Okay? Understand that. When you do something wrong, there's going to be an effect. There's going to be an effect. Every action is a reaction. Every reaction, there's an action. So, y'all don't forget that. Y'all don't forget that. So, like I said before, you gotta be careful what you do. You gotta be careful what you do, because your judgment, what you did a year ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, something when you were a kid, something when you were a child, a little kid. Listen to me. Listen to me. You could have done something when you're 10 years old to somebody, And now you're going to get your judgment when you're older. So understand this. No crime goes unpunished. Remember that. So there's no escaping the punishment in this time. Just remember that. So I don't care how big you are, I don't care how small you are, any type of injustice, trust me, you know the universe is going to be knocking at your goddamn door. You know you're going to be visited by some lightning and some thunder and some fire. So be careful what y'all do out there. Be careful. Because when the judgment comes knocking at your door, I don't want to hear no crying. So y'all remember that. Have a good day. Until next time. One.